To install Webull on Ubuntu, you will need to use the Wine compatibility layer, as Webull is a Windows application. First, you need to install Wine on your Ubuntu system. Open the terminal and type the command to update the package list. Then install Wine. Next, you need to download the Webull installer from the official website. Once the download is complete, navigate to the directory where you saved the installer file in the terminal. You can then run the installer using the Wine command. After the installation is complete, you can launch Webull using the Wine command. You can also create a shortcut on your desktop for easy access to Webull. To create a shortcut, right-click on the desktop and select Create Launcher. Then enter the name and the command to launch Webull using Wine. It is recommended to check for any updates to Wine and Webull regularly to ensure you have the latest features and security patches. Additionally, be aware that using Wine may have some performance implications, and not all Windows applications are fully compatible. By following these steps, you can successfully install Webull on Ubuntu using Wine. This allows you to access the Webull trading platform on a Linux system, providing a convenient alternative to using a Windows machine or virtual environment.